The Sunnydaze 10-in-1 game table has a variety of classic games to keep your family and friends entertained for hours. The all-in-one feature makes this game table space-saving, so it would be the perfect addition to a rec room or den. Store the extra accessories and game boards inside the game table between the billiard base and foosball table, so you do not have to worry about losing any pieces and you have everything needed to play the next game. Choose between the more active and thrilling games like billiards, foosball, push hockey, table tennis, shuffleboard, and bowling, or the brain games like chess, checkers, cards, and backgammon. This innovative design allows you to spend more time playing and less time assembling. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 10-in-1 Combo Game Table. Interchangeable tabletop lets you play slide hockey, foosball, pool, shuffleboard, table tennis, chess, cards, checkers, bowling, and backgammon. Number 2. Easily assemble. All accessories are included, so you can easily switch from one game to another for hours of enjoyment. Number 3. Space-saving storage. All game tables stack between the billiard base and foosball table, making this the perfect accessory for a game room or child's bedroom. Number 4. Warranty. Sunnydaze Decor backs its products with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty for worry-free purchasing. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.